Welcome to the Legends Wrestle Lounge, 5250 International Drive. Family dining, nice parties, nice drinks, great food. Every single week we have a nice show. We're here to entertain everybody in Orlando. New spot for the culture. Come and enjoy.
So Quasi, let's bring on stage the award-winning, one-time superstar, Mr. Bombastic, Shaggy! Make some noise for Shaggy! Yes, yes, everybody say, oh, yeah, say, oh, yeah, say, oh, yeah, and you say, oh, yeah, say, fuck you, Lori. Mr. Bombastic. We want to say Bombastic, Bombastic. Let's go! Mr. Lava. Mr. Lava. Mr. Bombastic.
Yeah, yeah. Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling. Girl, you're my prison, yeah. Girl, it's part of my behavior. Say I'm the savior. You know, sister, come on. And you appear to me so tender when girl, I surrender. Give me girl, it's part of my behavior. You want me savior. You must be savior. And you appear to me so tender when girl, I surrender. That's it. First of all, thanks for coming out tonight, everybody. Big up everybody around the park, everybody up front. Much love and respect. See, so if let me see the hands of all my ladies who are here tonight. Look there, man. Our condolences. Let me see all the hands of all my ladies who are here tonight. And another woman's man. If you get caught red-handed, you will snap. Too much of you know this song too well. You do know that cheating is not right. And you should be as faithful as possible to your significant other. Me? What's your name? Then I'll take the little bit out of there. If you get caught red-handed, bang! Everybody throw your hands in the air! Let me see if you remember right now. I'm gonna tell them sorry for the people. I'm gonna listen to them. Y'all ready to go home? Can I go home? Let's drum something new. This reggae guy, I can do this every morning, every evening. I just do straight up to sunrise. Let's go! Yeah! See it up there, girl! See it up there! Thank you all very much. It's been a lovely night. All right.
But put me cards on the table, still you're moving unstable. You don't know some me able to love you, girl. You don't know it's the rookie and the vet. Melody God, aka me for text it. For make the girl them get wet. You don't know, you can follow me on Instagram at _ the real Melody God, MELODY GAD. You see me I say? Follow JGM as well. You get me I say, and check out the whole works. You get me I say? Performances, you see me I say? New releases. You get me I say? How's far with them now? Legends Lounge. Yeah man, I'm mad green. Big up dancehall IG. You don't know, brother in real life. You get me I say? One touch me girl, if you better than the real girl, I better say you text it.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.